Well, hello YouTube. Welcome to part 2 of the repair video on the Heathkit T4. Doing this on a Monday morning, waiting for the mail to run. Hasn't run yet. Anyway, these are the old resistors that were still attached to the CAN capacitor when I took it out. I thought I'd better go ahead and check the specs on it just while they're out of the circuit to get best time, and if they need to be replaced, I can replace them. So if you, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's orange brown, which is a 330 ohm resistor, and I've got my test leads hooked up to it to the multimeter, and we're going to turn it on the 2K scale, and we get a reading of, there it is, 412 ohms. Now that is not in tolerance. So what we're going to do is, down below is my old parts bin. It has mostly, the resistors inside are mostly NOS type resistors. They were purchased long ago when I had a shop, but they've never been used. So I thought maybe I could come up with one that would work. So without further ado, let me look and see if I got one. Be right back. Thanks to video editing, that didn't take very long, and I did find one. It is marked, well, it's faded, but it is orange brown, and lo and behold, it reads 327, which is well within the tolerance. So that's for the one resistor. Let me check now again, and let's see, I've got another one. It was also a test. I think it's a 10K resistor. Let me see. Back with you again. Let's see. Looks like brown, black, orange. That is 10K. And I've got it hooked up to the meter. Oh, it's a little high. 12.6K. So the noise outside is the garbage men picking up the trash. So that should be out of the way for long. Anyway, that's not within tolerance at all. So what we're going to do, I'm thinking, is try to find a better solution. Again, back to the parts bin, see what I can come up with. I don't think that is far enough that it's going to really affect the circuit that much. I think it'll work alright, but I will go ahead and order one next time. Like I say, I'm going to wait until I have to order something else. I'm just not going to pay $7 for a resistor. That's just ridiculous. I don't care, you know what, it's just too much. And also, while I was looking through my old parts bin here, I have a ton of parts in there, and they're mostly good parts, and they have gotten, this box has gotten moved and shifted and turned upside down and everything, and they are nowhere near labeled like they're supposed to be anymore. And so that will be a job forthcoming, is to remove all the parts from that, identify them, and get them organized. I mean, I had to look literally through every drawer until I came up with one of the resistors I needed. I mean, it was ridiculous, and I couldn't believe in all that mess. And I still don't really believe it, because I didn't look through every part. I just kind of glanced at them, and with my old eyes, it's sometimes tricky, you know, seeing things. But I should have had a 10K resistor. I mean, that's just so common. So anyway, we'll shut this off until the parts arrive, and then we'll get on to it. This is the old cap again. I think you've seen it before, but if you look at it carefully, if I can get it in the frame, there's 3 lugs there. Now, for a dual section can, that's one too many. So if we go around here and look at this, I don't know if I can get a good picture of it or not, but I'll try. Now anyway, I don't think you can focus on it good enough, but like I say, it is a tri-section can instead of dual. And in addition to the 2 what were they, 50? I believe they were 50 microfarad at 150 volt. There is a 20 microfarad at 25 volts. And it goes across the cathode resistor of the no, not the output tube. Well, maybe the output tube. I can't remember. But I'll show you on the schematic once I get this done. But anyway, I caught that before I finished up my ordering, so I did get it ordered, and lo and behold, as I said, this is Monday. All the parts I ordered, including the terminal lugs, should be here should be here today, according to the UPS tracking. They are on the truck ready for delivery. So as soon as it arrives, I will be happy and go ahead and try to put that together.